This storm was different from the standpoint that it was here much longer, it was more intense. Because of the prior storm, the ground was much more saturated, which led to a lot more flooding and a lot more rescues because of the ground saturation.
Here, go say hi before he might try to. I think he might try to head southbound.
Well, we have eggs, backup food, I'm sure you know.
Number of residents evacuated, some going to Carpinteria and some going to Ventura, and so which included my wife and 3 children went to Ventura, and they're staying in a hotel. Yeah, it's been growing. Still by the roots. Yeah, that's a good sign. Man, well, can I get you guys something to drink? No, good. Here, we're not necessarily impacted by flooding, but we are impacted by the hillside behind us, and so we keep an eye on rain totals. Thankfully, we still have electricity, we still have utilities to shelter in place.
I think we're definitely at a point now where we can see the devastating impacts that these first few storms have caused in Ventura County. We know that there is more rain on the way, which means that we're going to have to continue to prepare.
This is where everybody was actually pulled off the road and turned around in Gaviota. The truck got stuck in the medium. Not sure what they were doing over there. Probably keeping equipment dry. Came back to stay with my son here in La Conchita, and then right after I got here, they put an evacuation order. We opted to stay. So we'll probably be sitting here for the rest of the day before they can figure out how to get us back and forth.
mom's growing salad in the front. We need to cut it. So.
We're gonna move out the pig.
Let's see if
Yeah.
he might be right around the corner. Let's see if you can grab him before he. Yeah. Yeah, everyone's kind of. We're not the only ones dealing with this. We know Carpinteria, Montecito, and all the way up to Santa Cruz is dealing with historic rain totals, and so we're concerned for each of our neighboring communities, and yeah. Living close to the coast along California, there's quite a few geological threats, tsunamis, fire, landslides, and so it's you balance the cost of living here.
Going live.
Oh, thanks for the heads up.